Well, hey, what we're gonna do is we're trying to complete the Route 66. So we're in Springfield, Missouri. It's 117 degrees and 103 humidity. So it's just, it's insanely hot. We're at the BMW MOA rally, and it is a good opportunity to go out on the hot asphalt and ride the mother road. So we're gonna ride to a little place called Uranus. Now it's the Uranus. It's Uranus.
It's not mine.
And it's the they have they're famous. They're famous for their fudge. So we'll go to find the old highway, the mother road to Uranus, and after that we'll turn around and come on home. So if that sounds good, ready? Sure. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Uranus! Welcome to Uranus!
So, you had a question, you said?
I just wondered what you guys found out about Uranus. If you found anything new about Uranus.
Well, what was the, you said find something you found most interesting. So what was most interesting in Uranus?
Well, we know that it's
I know you're a nurse.
Yeah,
so
I know that it's a fudge. Oh.
You've seen things in Uranus.
Oh, yes. Yes. Inside and out, actually.
Inside and out, exactly.
So I was more interested in the fudge when I got here, you know. But I did ask him what was the most popular flavor, and it was peanut butter fudge.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter chocolate fudge.
Peanut butter chocolate
they
fudge.
said they would pack your fudge.
Yeah, they did, and they loosely packed my fudge.
And they ask you, they tell you have to pay in the rear.
Oh.
You have to pay in the rear.
And also, and I asked the poor girl, I'm like, how many days did it take you to say that without laughing? She's like, this is my 3rd day.
Oh,
Chad?
Well, I was glad I could find a pressed penny in my Uranus.
Oh, you haven't had one of those?
You know, this was my first time at Uranus, but I'm going back because I'm missing my class ring. This is no good.
I know what you did there. I saw it. I think I'm smelling what you're stepping in.
I feel bad for him because Rich has got to go through this again. We only have to live this one time.
Yeah, wait till I get to the edit.
Do you see all the swag they're selling?
Oh, I know. There's just tons of swag.
Everything, and
tons of
you
swag.
name it. You got Uranus shirts. You got Uranus fudge. They have
they understand they understand the Uranus thing.
The main thing is when you leave Uranus, make sure that you have everything you brought in with you. Don't leave anything behind.
Don't leave anything behind.
What I learned today is Uranus is like snowflakes.
None of them are
exactly alike.
And they were very happy that we picked Uranus.
Well, how was your visit to Uranus?
I just never knew there were so many jokes that could be made about Uranus. They're infinite.
You weren't a teenage boy in a Catholic school.
There's
the
big thing. Yeah.
There's plenty.
So, we made it to Uranus, Missouri. We stopped at the MOA rally. We met up with some friends, and guess what? They were going to ride the old Route 66. They wanted to check out Uranus. So, there was a guy in 2015. His name is, I believe, Louis Keene. He owned this property, didn't quite know what to do with it, and he thought he would just, his wife knew how to do fudge, or one of them. Either he knew how to make fudge or his wife knew how to make fudge, and they thought, we'll just open up a fudge factory. Yeah, they sold, I think the first day, like 1,200 pounds of fudge. It's now just a tourist attraction. It's a cute little thing to come and visit and make a lot of bad Uranus jokes.